Welcome back to another interesting, useful website. Whatever type of apps or program you have been using, whether you are using Windows PC or you are using Mac, or whatever type of app you might be using, or whatever browser you might have been using, and you really want to learn all these apps and programs shortcut key in one place. I have a very useful website for that you need to visit right now in this video. So let's go. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. After you open up your browser, then go ahead and make sure you visit this particular website right here. So this particular website right here, hotkey.guru.com, and it's going to take you to the official webpage right here, and you have different apps as the case may be right here. Now, one great thing about this app here is that you can come to the top right here, search whatever apps you want to learn their shortcut key. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for Chrome. Go ahead and type in Chrome and hit enter. Then in a few seconds, you have result about Chrome browser right here. Go ahead and click on it. And then this particular Chrome browser here comes with different package, such as Windows package and at the same time Mac package. So here, this is a Google Chrome features. And then these are all shortcut key for Windows at the top. Then from the bottom right here for Mac OS keyboard shortcut key for Chrome browser. It's that simple. Let's go back to the home page right here. Let's say you want to learn some of the important shortcut key in Google Docs. Go ahead and click on Google Docs right here, and it's going to give you different shortcut key. This is for Windows, and then scroll down right here and learn everything about Windows shortcut key for Google Docs. Then scroll down. The next one right here is for shortcut key for Mac or OS. Now you can also download this particular shortcut key in PDF format, just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available shortcut key as far as this particular website is concerned. Let's go back to the home page and then come back to the home page right here. Then from the home page right here, you have so many pages right here. So like page 1 to on infinite right here. So let's go ahead and click on page 2. Then when you click on page 2, it takes you to another apps and programs or website that you can easily learn their shortcut key. So this is a Google Drive right here. So click on Google Drive. When you click on Google Drive, you have a great shortcut key for Google Drive on Windows. And then the more you scroll down, the more you see all available shortcut key. And this is for Windows. You can also download the shortcut key for Windows. And this is for Mac right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial websites like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.